Question. According to CIMA, England, the technique and process of ascertaining cost is called options A. Costing, option B. Cost accounting, option C. Cost accountancy, option D. Cost. Answer option A. Costing. Question. Which among the following costs are not useful for managerial decision making? Option A. Sunk cost, option B. Marginal cost, option C. Standard cost, option D. None of the above. Answer option A. Sunk cost. Question. The main function of cost accounting is dash reporting. Option A. Internal, option B. External, option C. Government, option D. Bank. Answer option A. Internal. The information provided by financial statement is dash in nature. Option A. Standard, option B. Historical, option C. Marginal, option D. Uniform. Answer option B. Historical. The exact cause of increase or decrease in profit or loss is disclosed by option A. Management accounting system, option B. Cost accounting system, option C. Financial accounting system, option D. Management information system. Answer option B. Cost accounting system. Question. Data required for the fixation of selling price is provided by option A. Management accounting system, option B. Financial accounting system, option C. Cost accounting system, option D. All of these. Answer option C. Cost accounting system. Cost accounting has developed due to the dash of financial accounting. Options A. Advantages, option B. Limitations, option C. Merits, option D. Expansion. Answer option B. Limitations. Question. The main objective of cost accounting is option A. Recording of cost, option B. Fixation of selling price, option C. Cost control, option D. Maximize profit. Answer option C. Cost control. Question. Dash is the application of costing and cost accounting principles, methods and techniques to the art, science and practice of cost control and the ascertainment of profitability. Options A. Cost accounting, option B. Cost accountancy, option C. Cost control, option D. Cost ascertainment. Answer option B. Cost accountancy. Question. Cost accountancy is considered an art because it dash. Option A. Has a systematic body of knowledge. Option B. Requires necessary ability and skills. Option C. Involves continuous efforts of cost accountant. Option D. None of the above. Answer option B. Requires necessary ability and skills. Question. The amount of expenditure, actual or notional, incurred or attributable to a given thing is option A. Expense, option B. Revenue expenditure, option C. Cost, option D. Value. Answer option C. Cost. Dash is a measurement in monetary terms of the amount of resources used for some purpose. Options A. Cost, option B. Revenue expenditure, option C. Expense, option D. Value. Answer option A. Cost. Cost accounting mainly helps the management in option A. Earning profit, option B. Providing information to management, option C. Fixing prices of the products, option D. All of the above. Answer option B. Providing information to management. Question. Dash is that portion of expired cost resulting from a productive usage of an asset. Option A. Cost, option B expense, option C loss, option D none of these. Answer option B expense. Question. Expired cost is recorded in dash. Option A balance sheet, option B profit and loss account, option C cash flow statement, option D none of the above. Answer option B profit and loss account. Unexpired cost is recorded in dash. Option A balance sheet, option B profit and loss account, option C cash flow statement, option D none of the above. Answer option A balance sheet. Question. Dash is a location, person or item of equipment for which cost may be ascertained and used for the purpose of control. Options A cost center, option B revenue center, option C profit center, option D responsibility center. Answer option A cost center. Dash is the segment of activity of a business which is responsible for both revenue and expenses. Options A cost center, option B revenue center, option C profit center, option D responsibility center. Answer option C profit center. Question. Dash is a small segment of activity or responsibility for which costs are accumulated. Option A cost center, option B revenue center, option C profit center, option D responsibility center. Answer option A cost center. Question. Dash cost center consists of a group of persons like foreman, storekeeper, etc. Option A personnel, option B production, option C process, option D impersonal. Answer option A personnel. Dash cost center consists of allocation or an item of equipment or a group of these. Option A operation, option B personnel, option C production, option D impersonal. Answer option D impersonal. Dash cost center consists of persons or machines carrying out similar operations. Option A operation, option B personnel, option C production, option D impersonal. Answer option A operation. Dash consists of a process or a continuous sequence of operations. Options A service cost center, option B operation cost center, option C process cost center, option D production cost center. Answer option C process cost center. Question. Which cost center undertakes production of a product, that is conversion of raw materials into finished products? Options A service cost center, option B operation cost center, option C process cost center, option D production cost center. Answer option D production cost center. Centers like maintenance department and power supply department which provide services to other departments of an organization is called option A operation cost center, option B impersonal cost center, option C process cost center, option D service cost center. Answer option D service cost center.